Let's get out and do some more point of view street photography on the beach. Greetings all. Right, I hope you all don't mind me doing this again, which is more point of view street photography, obviously in my hometown. But there are reasons that I want to do this, which I'll go into a little bit more at the end of the video. But the aim of today is to actually push myself a little bit more, and the idea of today to actually approach people, which for those that obviously have done street photography before, it can be pretty nervous. So I'm pushing myself today, and I am a little bit nervous, so let's just get on with it. Excuse me, I do street photography. Can I take a picture of you actually cooking? Totally got the wrong lens on for it anyway. There we go.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers. Oh yes, nothing like a cup of tea to finish it off. Oh, right, well, okay, now comes the waffling on bit. Okay, views of today. Yes, really enjoyed it, and I really am getting to grips with it, and it is something that I am going to do a bit more. I'll explain in a minute the reasons why I've been doing it a bit at the moment. I am going to be doing a bit more of it in various different places, and the reasons that I am doing I have been doing this is because I've got a few wedding shoots coming up very, very soon, and I was talking to another photographer who he used to do wedding shoots. He doesn't do them anymore, and he said the thing is, he said it's really good to go out and practice doing street photography, and he explained the reasons why like this. He says 50% of a wedding shoot is pre-planned. You know what's going to happen. Walking down the aisle, the first kiss, you know, all this sort of business is all pre-planned. He said the photos that you take of the bride and the groom are all pre-planned. You know, you stand here, you stand there, all that. Let's do one in front of this tree. You know, it's that sort of thing. So you know they're going to happen. But he said the other 50% of it, he said, is things that don't always happen. You know, and it could be certain things of a girl picking up some flower girl picking up petals off the floor or something like this. You know, they're catching the bouquet. Well, you know it's going to happen, but how and where it. So he said there is two different sides of it: the stuff that you know is going to happen and stuff that you don't. And he says the stuff that you know is going to happen, you've got full control of, and you've got time. You know, you've got a little bit of time to get things set up, ready, but there's the other side of it which you don't. You've got to notice, get ready, shot. Look, so he says that side of it is good to do the street photography, because when you notice something, you've got to get your camera set up, get the shot quick. And that's how it is. So he said, if you could learn that, he said, you're 50% of the way there. He said, and you know, the rest of it, he said, you know, it's just like taking normal photos in the sense of, you know, you get time to do, as like I've said, you know, time to do sets. So this is why I've been doing it a bit lately, and that is just to get a bit of practice in of noticing things that are going on and around. Right, so now that's out of the way. Yeah, really enjoyed today, really good. I will be doing, obviously, I'm trying to get into this as well of getting back to doing the landscape and the creative stuff. And I've got lots of creative stuff that I've been playing around with that are, you know, really desperate to share. So I will be doing some more of those. And yeah, and the landscape stuff as well. I mean, I've got quite a bit of that to do. I've got a few plans for doing some sunrise and sunsets coming up, because I want to get them done before we get too far in the summer, because to be fair, I don't really fancy getting up at 4 in the flipping morning just to go and get a sunrise. So I prefer to do it now where I can get up at, you know, 6 o'clock and go and get the sunrise. So yeah, so I have got quite a few of those planned, and well, oh, busy. But I did say in the video as well that I've left an image to the end. I think it's lovely and cute, so I've left that one for you. But also as well, I have got a few sunrise shots. Now these weren't actually taken on my camera; they're actually taken on my phone. And the reason being is because obviously I'm walking to work, and I ain't going to carry on my kit to work with me. I have done in the past, but it's too much hassle. So these were actually taken on the phone. Thought I'd drop those in as well to have a look, because they ain't bad actually for a mobile phone. And to be fair, when I've been taking them as well, I've been thinking, oh, I can't believe I'm missing this at the moment. I'm doing the street stuff, but never mind. But, oh yeah, talking of street stuff as well, I'm really annoyed with myself because I can't get this camera to. I'll get the used to it. I'll get the used to it. I think I need to get a bit of time of literally just playing around with the camera. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Oh dear. Anyway, I'm not going to waffle on anymore, guys. Thanks for watching, and you know, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button, share, all the rest of it, and yeah, and don't forget, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.